Hi everyone, this is Dr. Amanda. So today I'll be talking about anemia in pregnancy. So anemia in pregnancy is actually the reduction of oxygen carrying capacity of blood, usually due to low hemoglobin levels. This hemoglobin is actually the one that carried oxygenated blood to the baby, and when this is low, if this demand from the baby is low, then it leads to anemia. So there are a lot of causes of this anemia. So there are a lot of causes, and I'll be mentioning few. So one of the things that can cause anemia is number one, poor absorption of nutrients from like when you eat, when it's not easily absorbed in the intestine. Another thing is when there is inadequate intake of vitamin B12, folate or iron. Another thing is when there is every menstrual loss of blood during your last menstruation before you got pregnant. When you lost a lot of menstrual blood, it could lead to anemia. Another thing is shortened spacing between pregnancy. When the person does give birth like a year ago or like 6 months ago, and the person is getting pregnant again like after 6 months of the last delivery, it will lead to anemia. Another thing that can occur is when there is parasitic infestation like malaria infection or infestation. Also when there is increase in blood volume in pregnancy, which can also causes anemia. So there are a lot of symptoms that you shouldn't look away when you're having this kind of symptoms. That means that you could be having anemia. It could be mild, it could be moderate, it could be severe. So most of the symptoms that you can easily detect is when you are feeling dizzy, when you're having lightheadedness, when you are having increase in heartbeat, when you are having palpitation, yes, when you have palpitation, when you're having headache, when you're having difficulty in concentrating, that can also happen. And the most common one is when you are feeling tired or weak easily, and that could also be a symptom of anemia. Also when you are having when there's easy fatigability, or when you're having pale skin, pale lip, pale skin or pale nails, that could also cause it. So thank you for listening. Like, share, comment. Bye.
Gift Clinic,
LG baby,
Gift Clinic,
LG mother,
Gift Clinic,
satisfied
African Desk.
no more maternal death.